Hello, valued VetSpecs customers. Welcome to the VetSpecs demonstration room. We're going to continue on with part 2 regarding the charging of the VetSpecs batteries that are utilized inside of our wireless modules. If you are watching this video, this would most likely mean that you either have just a blood pressure wireless module, possibly just a 6-lead and single-lead wireless module, or possibly you have either of these two modules as well as the multi-parameter main module. So again, part 2, this is going to show how to charge the modules via an external cable versus an external charger. Essentially, we're going to charge through the module versus then taking the batteries out and putting them into a charger. So let's move on and show you how to charge through the modules themselves without removing the batteries. For VetSpecs wireless patient monitoring systems that include only a blood pressure module or the 6-lead ECG module, those modules will come with one single battery. That battery will already be inserted inside each of the two modules. And again, that battery is inside already. In order to charge that battery, we are going to provide you with an AC power adapter as well as a charge cord. And again, just a moment, we will show you how to physically charge the batteries while inside the module. Now, if you happen to have a VetSpecs multi-parameter system that has the wireless multi-parameter main module, you will automatically have received a 2-port charger. So certainly watch part 1 to this 2-part video series. I have gone ahead and taken my AC power adapter and the charge cable and inserted it into our power strip here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on our wireless blood pressure module as well our 6-lead ECG module. If you watched part 1 of our charging series, you will already know that we're going to be looking at these LED lights on our blood pressure module. We are down to the 25% mark. Again, 25, 50, 75, and 100 LED lights to indicate the percentage, more or less. Once we get down to the 25% light, we do recommend charging. Here on the 6-lead module, of course, we're at a 50% mark. So both of them could use a charge if you have time. Do know that when we plug in the cable to the charger, that will deactivate monitoring capability. So just simply take your USB-C connector at the end of your charge cable, again already plugged in, and as soon as you plug in the charging cable into the module, it will automatically go into charge mode. Now, we know it's in charge mode because the LED lights are blinking for the battery indicator. Those will continue to blink. The blue light for the Bluetooth signal has now gone off. That is indicating there is no Bluetooth signal being sent out, so the monitoring capability is inoperable. The same thing would apply for the 6-lead ECG module. Now, on an additional note, as we look at the blinking lights, this will continue to charge for several hours, and once fully charged, the module does turn off. It does have safety protocols built in electronically, so it is totally okay to leave the module plugged in and charged overnight. It will not harm the module or the battery. Different from the standalone blood pressure module and the 6-lead and single-lead wireless module, these modules will automatically go into charge mode when the cable is connected, regardless if they are powered on or powered off. They will automatically go into charge mode. For the wireless main module, it does have to be powered on. In other words, if it is powered off and we plug the charge cable in, nothing happens. So what we will do is go ahead and power the main module on. Just power it up one time. It will go through the boot up process. We know the boot up process, the little LED lights will blink upward. Our blue light here, the Bluetooth light, is indicating that it is connected. Connected physically to a monitoring system for sending all data. But what we do know is as we look at the battery indicator, we want to give it just a few seconds to see if that status changes. At this point, it is on, but let's go ahead and assume that we want to, rather than running off of battery power, let's assume that we want to run off of cable power. So what we want to do again is identify the charge port, go ahead and plug in to the charge port. And what is going to happen with the main module is it is going to automatically go into power by cable mode. Again, we know this because there are no battery lights, but the Bluetooth light is still lit, so there is power, and it is actively sending out a Bluetooth signal to the display. On this note, in order to put it into charge mode, we will need to push the power button one time. By pushing that power button one time, we have now put the module into charging mode. The blue LED light is off, and the LED lights for the battery are now blinking upward. Again, this will continue to blink upward and fully charge that battery, and it will again, just like with the blood pressure and main module, it will automatically shut off once fully charged. Wrapping up our second method for charging the batteries that are utilized inside of our wireless modules, I thought I would share with you a little bit of technical information. And that is that when utilizing the AC power adapter with the charge cable, again with the charge cable plugged directly into any of the modules, we have found that it takes approximately 4 hours to fully charge a fully depleted battery. So again, certainly wanted to share that with you as you move forward with utilizing your VetSpecs wireless patient monitoring system.